Many people feel a little down during the winter months. It's normal. The days are shorter. There is less sunlight. This lack of sunlight can lead to a drop in serotonin levels, which can affect our mood and overall sense of well-being. This can disrupt our internal clocks, also known as our circadian rhythms, which regulate our sleep-wake cycles. This disruption can impact our sleep, energy levels, and mood. We might find it harder to wake up in the morning and feel more tired throughout the day. Seasonal affective disorder, or SAD, is a more serious form of winter blues. It goes beyond just feeling a bit down. It is a type of depression linked to the changing seasons, particularly the transition from fall to winter. It affects people more in the fall and winter, when daylight hours are shorter and the weather is colder. Symptoms of SAD can be intense. They can include feelings of hopelessness, difficulty concentrating, and a lack of interest in activities once enjoyed. They can interfere with daily life, making it hard to function at work or school. Social isolation can worsen the winter blues. We may feel more alone and disconnected from others. We may spend less time outdoors and with loved ones, which can contribute to feelings of loneliness and sadness. The cold and bad weather can make it harder to be social. We might avoid going out because it's just too uncomfortable. Lack of activity also plays a role. When we are less active, our bodies produce less endorphins, which can make us feel more sluggish and down. When we are less active, we may feel more sluggish and down. It's important to find ways to stay active and connected during the winter months. Please like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Gratitude journaling is a powerful tool to combat the winter blues. During the cold, dark months, it's easy to feel down and unmotivated. But by taking a few moments each day to reflect on what we're thankful for, we can bring a ray of light into our lives. It involves regularly writing down things we are grateful for. This could be anything from a warm cup of coffee in the morning to the support of a loved one. This simple practice can shift our focus. Instead of concentrating on the cold and gloom, we start to notice the small joys and blessings in our daily lives. We start to see the good in our lives. This shift in perspective can have a profound impact on our overall mood and outlook. This helps us feel more positive. The act of writing down our blessings can reinforce the positive feelings associated with them. Research shows that gratitude has many benefits. It can improve our mental well-being and increase our resilience in the face of challenges. It can improve our mental well-being. It increases our resilience. People who practice gratitude regularly report feeling happier and more content. Studies have found that people who practice gratitude experience less stress and anxiety. They are better able to cope with life's ups and downs. They are also more optimistic and satisfied with their lives. This sense of satisfaction can lead to a more fulfilling and joyful life. Gratitude journaling helps us reframe negative thoughts. Instead of dwelling on what we lack, we appreciate what we have. This shift can be incredibly empowering. Instead of dwelling on what we lack, we appreciate what we have. This change in perspective can be transformative. It allows us to see the abundance in our lives. This change in perspective can be transformative. It allows us to find joy even during challenging times. By focusing on the positive, we can navigate the winter months with a lighter heart. It allows us to find joy even during challenging times. So grab a journal, find a cozy spot, and start writing. You might be surprised at how much brighter your winter days become. Starting a gratitude journal is easy and can be a transformative practice. Find a notebook you love, one that inspires you to write. Choose a time each day to write, whether it's in the morning to start your day positively or at night to reflect. Begin by listing 3 to 5 things you are grateful for. These can be moments, people, or simple pleasures. These can be simple things, like the warmth of the sun on your face or a kind gesture from a stranger. Examples are a warm home, a delicious meal, or a phone call with a friend that brightened your day. To deepen your practice, try these exercises. Write about a person you are grateful for and why they mean so much to you. Describe a positive experience from the past week, no matter how small it may seem. List 5 things you love about yourself, celebrating your unique qualities and strengths. Remember, there are no right or wrong answers in gratitude journaling. Write from the heart and be honest with yourself. Focus on what truly resonates with you and brings you joy. Even on your toughest days, there is always something to be grateful for. Keep looking, and you'll find it. Section 4. Making gratitude a habit. Consistency is key in gratitude journaling. Aim to write every day, even if it's just a few sentences. Find a dedicated time and place for your practice. This will make it more likely you'll stick with it. Overcoming procrastination is crucial. Don't judge yourself if you miss a day or two. Just start again when you can. Remember, every small step counts. The more you practice gratitude, the more natural it will become. Make gratitude journaling enjoyable. Use colorful pens, decorate your journal, find prompts that inspire you. The process should be uplifting and empowering. Section 5. Embracing a brighter winter. Gratitude journaling is one part of a holistic approach to managing the winter blues. Other activities can boost your mood. Make sure you get enough sunlight. Even on cloudy days, natural light can help. Exercise is also crucial. It releases endorphins, which have mood-boosting effects. Social connection is vital. Make time for loved ones. Engage in activities you enjoy. Volunteer or join a group. These connections can combat social isolation and improve your well-being. If you experience severe sad symptoms, seek professional help. A therapist can provide support and guidance. Remember, you don't have to go through this alone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content.